Hey friends, today we're going to draw a big fire truck. In Spanish, fire truck is carro de bomberos. We're going to draw like the road. And finish our road. I'm going to draw the fire truck. I start here first. Now I can draw like this. Now I will draw like the window. The fire truck. And I draw like the door. I'll fix this. Fire trucks, they made siren and they do, and that's they spray the water. Now I draw like this. That, this, here. Let's paint that in with the rest white. The same. It'll be the same truck. Now we're going to draw. Start here. I start here. Draw a circle. More circles. Circles around. I draw more circles. We'll draw 2 small circles. Down here. Okay. I draw like 2 more circles. I draw like this, the bumper, round, and we go on that one. And make like the curves. It looks like semicircles down a rainbow. Like it. Finish that part. Next is draw lights. And move this. And now let's make some sirens. Now let's draw the back part. Let's start here. Make a circle. Draw another circle in that circle. Do this. And I draw the antenna. Then mirror it. Now let's draw like the lines. And this will be better. Let's draw like this, a line, and this line. Now you can draw the ladder. I start here. I start here. Go around. And you have to make more lines. And you start here. You make this, more, and more. Okay. And now you can make like these lines. And this looks like that fire truck. Yeah. And now you can draw like lines. And you can make like your line here. Now you can make like, let's make more lines. And more lines. You can draw like these lines. Now, let's draw this. It's going to be the ladder of the fire truck. Draw like this, 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 this. Now, go. Line. Okay. Now, we draw like this. You have to do this. Make this. This. Now we're going to draw like that. Line. Another line. This line. This. And this. We finished our ladder. Make that. Now let's draw like some details. I make small circles. You can make like one big circle. You make one around. And okay. Okay. Okay, now I do it in the back. Look at this. Right. Okay, now we're going to draw like some spell truck. This is a truck. Okay, now let's draw like more details. I start around here. We're going to draw like lines. Okay, more. Okay, we're going to make like those? Make like the sun in the sky. We finished our fire truck. We're going to color it. This one we're going to color it red. We're going to use this color. We go around here. We need black. The light. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.